Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel.
Big up from you know all and start wind up and make your bumper. Some got to go back in a whining. When you are wine them look like.
So today's video I'm going to be doing an all matte eyeshadow look using the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. I absolutely love this palette. Guys, look at this. Like, how beautiful is this? Like, oh my god. Let's get into the video. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to be using Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. And guys, I'm all over the place right now. Now that I primed my eyelids, first I'm going in with the color. So I'm gonna go in with the color Dax. I believe this is the color. I'm gonna be taking this color and I'm going to apply it to the outside of my eyes. And I'm also bringing this color towards the corner of my eye just to give it more of like a smoky effect, you know? So I finished with both eyes, and so now I'm gonna go in with the color Hunts, and this is like a really orangey color. Looks really pretty, so I'm gonna use that and apply it to the inner corners. Well, actually no, the inner corner of my eye. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. Gorgeous. Okay, now that this is all done, I'm gonna be going in with a brown color, and I'm going to be using the color Soda Pop. And this looks like a purplish brownish color. It's like really ashy. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna be using that and just applying a little bit to the edges of my eye, just to give it more of like a smoky reddish tone. Okay, so I'm going to be going in again with this color that I use on the edges. It's getting all messy. And I'm actually going to be applying this under my eye where my waterline is. Actually, I'm not going to use this color. I'm going to use that same brown that I just used and apply it under my eye. Ah! It got in my eye, guys. Oh god. This look is actually coming out really nice. I really like it. So for this look, I'm actually not gonna do any winged eyeliner because I really don't feel like doing it. So I'm actually going to just be using this mascara from Bare Minerals called Lashtopia. I hope this is in focus, because if not, I'm going to scream. I'm going to be taking this and applying it to my eyelashes. Okay, so I'm also going to put some mascara onto my bottom lashes. I usually don't do this because sometimes it can get out of hand. Okay, so this is the finished look, you guys. It looks really nice. I actually like that I put the purplish brown color on it. It made it look like really nice. So that is all for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below anything you want. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you guys really like my makeup videos, let me know in the comments down below. Also, that is all for today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.